More or less, photorealistic 3D animation has been used for special effects in commercials and films since the 1980s. Breakthrough effects were really seen in films like Terminator 2, Judgment Day, which came out in 1991, and of course Jurassic Park, which came out in 1993. Since then, techniques have developed to the stage that the difference between CGI and real life cinematography is seldom obvious. Filmmakers can blend both types of images seamlessly with virtual cinematography. The Matrix, which came out in 1999, and its two sequels since then, are equally regarded as the breakthroughs in this field. Due to the complexity of human body functions, emotions, and interactions, and just the idea of flesh looking real, movies with important roles for fully 3D animated realistic humans have been rare. At least it take a long time to get them to look good. The more realistic a CG character becomes, the more difficult it is to create the nuances and details of the living person. And the greater the likeness of the character falls into this thing we call the uncanny valley. Films that have attempted to create realistic looking humans and have many considered creepy include Final Fantasy, The Spirits Within 2001, Polar Express 2004, and Beowulf in 2007. Before I get into a little short clip about what Uncanny Valley kind of really entails, I have a handful of friends who work in CG, and there's this thing in the world of CG called subsurface scatter. Have you heard of this? Subsurface scatter is now a term which basically is used to help flesh look like more human flesh in CG. So subsurface scatter is, I think, this look where it looks like there's blood vessels beneath a skin, like beneath a layer of skin, that looks like there's, a living. It makes it look like the person is living, as opposed to looks like it's like this weird, really smooth, flesh-looking humanoid. Um, anyways, watch this and you get an idea of what Uncanny Valley is about.